on how to set up a MailChimp account using our lead generations activity before. So first, let's log in. So here our dashboard. Here's my profile, and then the dashboard. We could see campaigns, templates, list, reports. So MailChimp account is an email marketing platform for e-commerce business. It is also used to send emails to a list of customers. So let's go to campaign. In creating campaign, these are our projects. But before that, let's go to our list. In list, we could see this as our prospective clients. But first, let's go to create list. So this is for sample only. And then default name MJ of Virtualahan. And then in the reminders, these are my personal contacts. And then save. So we had created our brand new list, and then we could import our contacts now. In importing our contacts, it should be in a CSV form. So go back to your lead generations activity before, then go to files, download as a CSV form, comma separated values, download, then go back to your MailChimp, go to next, lead research, then close, and then next. And then in importing our contacts, we should have go for edit. Okay, let's edit, then save, new column name, save, new column name, save, column name, column name, save, okay, make a selection, save, make a selection, save, and then column name, save, and then that's it, all columns are matched. Then let's go for next. Okay, we are importing 9 of 9 columns, and then import the contacts. Okay. So we added 9 of our list, and then let's go to our campaigns. Let's create campaign, then go for an email. This is for sample piece of ware. Begin. So add recipient. So let's add for our 9 prospective clients, then save. So we're sending this campaign MJ of Virtualahan, then save. For the subject is okay, save. Okay, seems having problem. Josh Virtualahan. Oh. Okay, let's cancel it first. Subject, add subject. Piece of ware. And the content. Design email. So for our text, and then creating our content, we could have our text, box text, divider image. We could choose any theme, then save and close. And then once once you have your content, then you could send it. You could send it. But my MailChimp account is having an issues. Still now don't know what's my what's the problem of my MailChimp account. Still can't send any emails. Your, your account has one or more issues. Still need to resolve. Well, that's it. That's it for now. Thank you.